how to restore the project on CapCut in computer. And okay guys, here in your computer dashboard, okay, go to CapCut. Here in CapCut, okay, if you want to restore the delete project, okay, for my example, I delete this project, okay, click the three dot on the lower right side on this project and click delete. So if you delete this project, you can restore this project 30 days. Period. So okay, for my example, I remove or delete this project. And now you can restore this project. To restore this project, you'll have to do is go to trust on the right side. Okay, click this. And the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can see the delete or recently delete project on your CapCut. So you'll have to do is select the delete project. From example, I choose this one. So okay, you'll have to do is click the circle button on the lower right side of this project to see the check mark. And after that, okay, you can see below the restore button to restore this project. Okay, click this and that's it. Okay, we have successfully restored the project on CapCut in computer.